Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our application video for Engineering and Sustainable Technology Management, Industry 4.0, Automation and Robotics in 3D Manufacturing, M Engineering. So for this course, we have already did the requirement analysis, and today we will just show you how to apply. So this video will be usually two parts. In the first part, I will just go directly to SRH University website, then go through the requirement analysis again for this Berlin, and we have also got an information that this course is also offering in Mannheim in the coming summer semester, so you can also apply there. So if you want to go to Berlin or Mannheim, depending upon your choice, because the course is also newly starting in Mannheim. And yeah, I will show you how to apply in second part. If you are new to this channel, if you don't know anything about this channel, then please check out our channel. In this channel, we usually teach people how to apply for German university, where to look for the courses, what are the requirements that you need to know, and when is to apply, where to apply. After getting to know all these details, we will just get all details in Excel sheet. Then once the application is open, we will also apply using the link that they have mentioned, and we will also show step by step how to apply. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, today we will just do the Engineering of Sustainable Technology Management requirement analysis again in the official SRH University website. Then I will also show you how to register for their particular portal in order to apply. So this is the official SRH University website. So here you can just see I'm interested in engineering or sustainable or architecture, and which degree you want to continue. I have to do my master's. Once you click on these two selects, and if you search, then these are the 11 courses or 14 courses that you usually get. And last video we also showed you how to apply for information technology in Heidelberg, and this time we will show you how to apply for this particular course in Berlin and Heidelberg. As I told you, they are also starting in newly. So Industry 4.0, Robotics and 3D Manufacturing. And request information, so you can also request the information where you need to fill the form, and you will also get a complete request information and detailed information about your studies, and also you will get an event invitation, individual consultation too, and you will also get it everything for free without any obligation if you fill these things and send it to them. But today we will just read by ourselves, and I will also show you how to apply, which is very easy. As we know, it is Master of Engineering, M Engineering course, and model is full-time, and ECTS is 120, so it will be 4 semester. Then location is in Berlin, but when we do the official requirement analysis in that website, we only got for Berlin. Here they are also starting in Heidelberg, so you can also apply for either Heidelberg or Berlin depending upon your interest. Then cost of tuition fees is for 840 euros per semester, so you need to pay 840 euros per month. So usually it will count up to 6,000 euros per semester. That is the course money or tuition fees that you need to pay for this particular course. Then after finishing your course, you will get your Siemens Mechatronic System Certificate Program, SCP certificate at the level 1 to 3. Then you will also get another experience certificate. You will also get your master degree certificate after finishing or defending your thesis at the end. And here you can just see, as I told you, the new study location is Heidelberg from 2025. So they have started newly. After that, you can also check for the application start, and after that you can also check for the which semester it is starting. It is starting in both winter and summer semester, and this time we will be applying for summer semester, which is going to start in 1st April. After that, curriculum, if you want to get more information, then you need to click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, here you can just see they are saying you can choose your city before you apply, but if you want to apply for both the things, then you can also apply both location, because usually it will be free application, so you can either click on Berlin or Heidelberg. Last time I showed you for Heidelberg or Mannheim, I think Heidelberg or Mannheim, but yeah, I will just choose for Berlin because last time I didn't show about Berlin. So if you click on first Berlin, it's just the same thing. You can just see the winter application is closed, and summer semester application is still open, and winter semester next semester is also open, so you can also apply for next winter semester 2026, just for a understanding. So here you can just see the study location is in Germany, Berlin, because we selected Berlin, and it will be 6,950 euros per semester as we done, and you can also convert that to whatever Indian rupees or US dollar or UK pound, how much it will be. And 1,000 euros will be first semester one-time payment that you need to do. So that's the reason we calculated. In first semester you will pay 7,000, and other 3 semester you will pay 6,000. So it will be counts up to 6 4 24 plus 1 25,000 is your complete degree expenses. Then undergraduate degree, bachelor degree and higher, the qualification document accepted from the following language, English or German. Then update your electronic copies during the application process itself. So that's enough. You don't need to send the original copies, and also you don't need to post any tested copies also. You just have to upload the electronic documents. That's enough. Then what are the English language proficiency you need to have in order to apply for this particular course? And you need to have B2, so IELTS 6.5 on average or above that you need to be having. Then what are the documents that you need to have? You need to have written a motivation letter, CV, secondary school certificate, that will be your 12th standard and 12th and 10th combined, and bachelor degree certificate with full transcript. You should be finished this course in order to apply for this particular course, because they are asking full transcript with bachelor certificate. Here you can also apply with provisional degree certificate, because after finishing your degree you will also have your full transcript, but you would not have your official bachelor degree certificate. So you can also apply with provisional degree certificate until you get your official degree certificate. That's not a problem. And people who have done engineering, environmental engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, mechatronic engineering, mechanical engineering, civil or natural sciences, who are interested in this particular course, based on looking at the course details, then they can apply. If you have any question, then you can also mail for this program contact, then they will also happily help you and figure out if this course is really for you and other things. And we talked about what are the things that you will have in the overview. After finishing of your degree, you will get your Siemens mechatronics certificate, and at the finishing of your degree with your degree certificate. Then in the fourth semester, how the program is structured, as we talked, the mathematical methods reviewed, and electronics and electrical engineering, CAD design, sustainable technology management 1, sustainable management 2, data analysis basic programming language, project lab. In second semester also you will do artificial intelligence, software development application, project and risk management, sustainable technology 3, industrial automation, additive manufacturing. In semester 3 you will do artificial intelligence 2 again, and modeling simulation, digital twin, sustainable technology 4, 5, and new industrial techniques, and digital signal processing, cloud sensors. So usually they are training you either in the form of sustainable technology side, or industry 4.0, or industrial automation, or as a AI express. So these are the 4 area of interest that each course is focusing on. You can also, after finishing your degree, you can go any of the career path that you choose, but your career path will be defined by your thesis which you are gonna work. And semester 4 you will do your cyber security company project, which will be internship, then research and development methods of including your master colloquium and master thesis, where you write your master thesis, everything. So in the master colloquium is nothing but your defense, where you have to present your master thesis. Then career opportunity, after finishing the degree, as I told you, you will have these many career opportunities you can apply. So this is the program structure. Usually if you're looking at the program structure, and if you think like this is the course that I want to learn, and this is everything is in my stream of liking, then you can click on apply now here. So once you clicked on apply now, and here you can just see I have already my account which we created for last time. So yeah, you can use that. But if you are for the first time who are registering, then you need to give a email address here. After clicking a new applicant, then you can click on register. So once you fill your email address and click on register, then as soon as you clicked on register, you will get here dream ID, mail, and here is your click register to confirm your registration. After you click it, then you need to have a one-time password that you will have with this mail. Then you can click on that, then you will be entered into this particular portal. But I just showed you because we are only using our previous applicant or the previous login ID, and here we have to enter the password that we have chosen. So I will use that password, then I will click on sign in. Once we clicked on sign in, we will be inside the application portal, where we already applied for this particular information technology in the previous application. So I will just delete it, or we can also keep it because it will be same, and you can just see our engineering 4.0 will be 1, that is the new application that I will be showing.